In this video, we will test out Sabri Suby's AI UGC ads and free course for beginners and see what happens if we follow his instructions. Let's go.
This is an AI influencer, and I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process of how to create one for yourself in under an hour. Nothing converts better than UGC ads, and thanks to AI, you can now create 50 new ads every single day. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact tools, scripts, and hooks to go out there and create ads that print cash.
Okay, so the way he goes is to create AI UGC influencer and then promote the products in that way. So let's see which tools he will be using.
You can't even tell that I am not real?
Starting with creating an influencer. Real world, know that influencers are unreliable.
So here he says that influencers are unreliable. Maybe some of them are, but I don't think they are unreliable because it's actually their job to be an influencer and create videos. So yeah, we skip to this part because we are interested in the way he's gonna create these ads and use these tools, rather than all the background information.
However, what we're gonna do is we are gonna use Nano Banana Pro to generate a static image of the...
So let's go to labs.google and then we click on new project. Let's go back to the video.
The exact detailed avatar that you want to create. And so the way that we do this is we simply go over to Claude and we say, create me a prompt for a hyper realistic AI influencer that I'm going to be using Nano Banana Pro to do, of a 26-year-old white Caucasian woman.
You will find all the prompts in my school community. The link will be down below in the description or in the comment section, so don't miss out.
This needs to be as if it was created on the iPhone, so it looks super native. Please have it for 9:16.
All right, so we are in Claude and we tell Claude exactly what Sabri just said. And here we got the prompt. And here we have the prompt he just said. This needs to be as if it was created on the iPhone, so it looks super native, and 9:16. Let's go. And here we have the prompt. This prompt will also be available in school. All right, let's see what else he says.
What we're going to do is we are going to take this and we're going to go over to Nano Banana Pro, which we do in Higgsfield, 9x6.
All right, he will be using Higgsfield, so let's use Higgsfield as well. Otherwise, you can also use Nano Banana Pro through labs.google. We can actually do this prompt in both of them so we can compare the results in this video. So let's go ahead and do it. So in Higgsfield, you go to image and then Nano Banana Pro, and here you change in the menu to the aspect ratio 9:16, okay? And then the quality 4000. If you don't have premium, you can just choose 2000, and we can do batch size 4 and add the prompt we got from Claude. So let's go, generate. Meanwhile, this is generating. We're gonna test the same prompt we got from Claude in labs.google. So we go to labs.google and here we can use Nano Banana Pro as well. So we're gonna prompt it here, and then in the settings, as you can see here, Nano Banana 2, but we can change to Nano Banana Pro, and then we can change the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is the same prompt, as you can see. Enter and see what happens. Okay, so we got one image here. The quality is very good, I would say, surprisingly. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you find this helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down here in this video or in school community. Okay, so as we can see in labs.google, the photos actually came kind of similar to these ones from Higgsfield because the prompt is describing very detailed. In my opinion, Higgsfield wins this competition on this prompt compared to labs.google. Okay, let's watch the Sabri video.
16, 4K resolution, and in a moment it will pop up, hopefully that it's good enough to run. Now we need to take this static image we just generated and transform it into a native setup. We come back to Higgsfield, paste this prompt that you see on the screen.
He's giving out this prompt here and we're gonna copy it. This prompt will also be available in our school community as Sabri's prompt. Okay, so what he does is he takes one of these images. So let's take this image download. And then he adds it here. We will be using a dress. So we're gonna say wearing dress. Setting will be bedroom mirror. We remove this part because we want the bedroom background. And then we add the dress here. In this video we will be using this dress. I will go ahead and download it. Okay, so I have added the dress here. Let me just do the same in labs.google. Add the prompt here, and then let's just use a photo from labs.google here, and let's see what result we will get. And now I have also added the dress here. Let's use this image. So we have the dress and we have the influencer. Let's see what we get. Okay, so this is what we got in Higgsfield. This is a very good image. This one is too, but it does not look like she's wearing it. And in Google Flow we got this. No, it's not good. So in this competition Higgsfield wins because this image is very good. We just download it.
Alright, so you take your image of your AI influencer, you head on over to video, put the starting frame as your influencer here, and then paste in this prompt and hit generate.
Alright, let's go to video, create video, and we're gonna put our starting frame as this image we just generated in Higgsfield. Alright, so we paste this prompt. Let's do bedroom, showcasing the dress. We should remove the speaking here. We can just say and dancing 15 seconds and 1080 because that's enough. Alright, and start generate. Okay, after a while of talking, he is now going to show us his AI UGC ad he created. Let's watch it.
And now I'm going to show you the actual video ad that I created using my very own avatar.
Can you tell the difference between a real natural lip balm and a cheap toxic lip balm?
That's pretty good. That was everything he had to show with what he created. I will also link down Sabri Suby's YouTube channel in the description if you want to see more, and the video we just watched. Okay, so here we have our video. Let's watch it.
Can we breathe this outside? No outside. It's our most time alive. And you come set out so you can sing the shout. Now feel the best. I know outside. Leave the sound time alive. And you get.
Wow, very good. Extremely good, actually. I am surprised it went this good with so little effort. The idea with this video will be, I will just add a text. Let's do it let's go to CapCut. First download it. So in CapCut we add this text which says this dress and a smiley in Swedish. Okay, so here we have the final result.
Can we breathe this outside? No outside. It's our most time alive. And you come set out so you can sing the shout. Now feel the best. I know outside. Leave the sound time alive. And you get.
Wow, this was actually really good. Really good. This is a very simple way of creating a AI UGC ad that is very native and looks realistic. You will find all the prompts in my school community down below in the description and comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment what you think. Also, if you have any questions, you can discuss anything you want in the school community as well. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.